Hello and welcome back to our channel, Real GT, for more track day hints and tips. Today we're at Silverstone in our M3 and we're looking at a tricky series of corners: Farm, Village, the Loop and Aintree, and how to effectively set yourself up for a fast Wellington straight. So we do see people struggling with this series of corners on track days, and it is tricky and technical, so it takes some commitment and some knowledge. But if we switch now, you can see us sort of exiting Abbey, getting ready for Farm. Bring the car over to the left, keep it tight on the apex. If you're carrying lots of speed, you've got width to the right, you can use it. Bring the car back over to the left, heavy on the brakes, into third, into second. Right hand turn there, get that apex, straighten the wheel carefully, manage your traction, accelerate up to your turning point on the brakes, turn in there, make sure you get a tight apex, can't be rushed, use all the room on exit, into third, but stay flat on the power, keep building power, hit that apex flat out, and that'll get you well down the straight, and happy days. Let's go again in slow motion here. We've exited Abbey, now we're turning into Farm at this point, gradually getting closer to this apex here. Carrying lots of speed, you can use more of the track width to the right if you need. I don't need to here. Bringing the car back over to the left on the brakes, working down into third, into second, release the brakes, turn into Village here. Make sure you clip this apex. You do not need to use the full width of the track to the left. Straighten the wheel, accelerate up to the Loop now, but then brake again, off the brakes, turning left, tight apex. You can't really rush it. Watch how we straighten the wheel. You should be thinking, when can I straighten the wheel? Get it straight, use the full width of the track, be aggressive on the power. Into third, full throttle, keep accelerating, looking through the bend here through Aintree. Clip that apex, now you've set yourself up for a fast Wellington straight. Well done.